two cashback titans, Citi Double Cash or Discover It Cashback. Which one truly puts money back in your wallet? On one side, Citi Double Cash, known for its effortless 2% cashback on everything you buy and pay. On the other, Discover It Cashback, supercharged with 5% rotating categories, and a first-year cashback match. Let's skip the marketing lingo and see which card really boosts your everyday spending. Each category scores points. At the end, you'll get a clear winner for your wallet in 2025. The best pick might just surprise you. So before we hit the details, here's a quick map of what we're going to cover, all right? We'll look at rewards structure, welcome offers, ease of use, travel and foreign usage, intro APR and balance transfer, flexibility and strategy, and of course, that all-important annual fee. Ready? Let's go. First up, the rewards structure. So with Citi Double Cash, you're getting a straight-up 2% cash back on every single purchase. Like, no messing around. 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay. And you don't have to think about activating categories or chasing bonus deals. Super easy. But yeah, you don't get those extra fat rewards on specific spending, which, if you're all about maximizing, could feel kind of boring. Now, on the Discover side, that's where things get spicy. You earn 5% cash back, but only on those rotating quarterly categories, like gas or groceries or all that jazz, up to $1,500 per quarter. Everything else, it's back to 1%. Plus, Discover pulls off their first-year cashback match, which is honestly kind of wild. Only catch, you gotta remember to activate those categories each quarter, and there's a cap. So who's the champ here? Honestly, both cards have their own charm. So let's call this one a tie. Let's move on to welcome offers, which are, let's be real, sometimes the main reason folks sign up. Citi Double Cash is playing it safe. Spend $1,500 in 6 months, and you snag $200 cash back. Not bad, but then you look at Discover It Cashback, and wow, they go full unicorn. Whatever cash back you rack up in your first year, they'll match it all. No cap. So if you're crushing those rotating categories, you could cash in big time. Downside, you don't get an instant bonus. You gotta wait a year for that match. Winner here's pretty obvious. It's Discover. All right, now, ease of use. No man, this is where Citi Double Cash really shines if you're kind of lazy about tracking things, like me. You literally just swipe and go. No quarterly activations, no spreadsheets, no nothing. It's just 2% back all the time, no drama. You can't earn more than that, but honestly, the convenience is huge. Flip over to Discover and, well, yeah, you can snag some big rewards if you're on top of it, but you have to activate those bonus categories every quarter, which, let's be real, a lot of people forget. If you love strategizing with your spending, it's fun, but if you want low maintenance, nope. So here, Citi Double Cash definitely takes the win. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Discover will just double all the cash back you earn in your first year, automatically. Like, you literally don't have to do anything to activate this. Free money, basically. Travel and foreign usage. Let's get into it, because not all cards play nice abroad. With Citi Double Cash, you do get a little travel boost. 5% back on travel booked through the Citi Travel portal. Sounds nice, but here's the catch. Foreign transaction fees apply. So if you're headed overseas for spring break or whatever, it's not the best companion. Discover? Well, they don't charge foreign transaction fees at all. That's super rare. But, Discover isn't accepted everywhere outside the US. So, if you want to dodge fees, Discover is your pick. Winner for travel? Discover. Let's talk intro APR and balance transfers, because saving on interest is never boring. Citi Double Cash right now offers 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 18 months, which is honestly kinda amazing. Downside? No 0% intro APR for purchases. So, yeah, something to consider. Discover It Cashback gives you 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfers. Not bad at all. Just a slightly shorter time on balance transfers compared to Citi. If you're rolling over balances, time matters. So for balance transfers, Citi Double Cash is the winner. Flexibility and strategy, y'all. So, Citi Double Cash is super flexible. You can easily stack it with cards that have big bonus categories, and still grab that 2% back on everything else. Meanwhile, Discover It Cashback is like a killer sidekick. Max out those quarterly 5% categories, then use something like Citi Double Cash for everything else. Honestly, if you want to build a cashback power duo, using both together is legit smart. Can't pick a real winner here. It's a tie. Annual fee, short and sweet. Both cards, 0. Nada. Nothing. No annual fee at all. So you can grab either card knowing you're not going to get nickeled and dimed. No drama. Just cool cash back. Another tie. So if you're visual like me, here's the radar chart. You can really see how Citi Double Cash is all about that steady, stress-free earning, while Discover Cashback explodes in the bonus category and welcome offer department. Kinda neat how their strengths are almost complementary. So, bottom line, Citi Double Cash is straight up awesome if you want simplicity and reliable rewards. No fuss, no stress, you just earn. Discover It Cashback, on the other hand, is perfect if you love chasing points and want to rack up that juicy cashback match in your first year. Seriously, if you want to maximize, using both together is a power move. If this helped you narrow down your choice, or maybe convince you to go for both, stick around for more smart ways to level up your money. See you in the next